Charges of sexual abuse in the city's juvenile detention centers have been prevalent for years. Now, 115 new cases have been filed against the city by adults who claim they were abused when they were kids at detention facilities in the Bronx and Brooklyn.
The perpetrators in these cases are adult staff members, the very people entrusted with keeping children safe.
The latest charges come just months after more than 400 others filed similar complaints. City lawyers rejected those charges, claiming the city is not responsible.
The city law department is claiming that survivors can only sue staff perpetrators. So we have the city law department trying to shift all the blame and all the responsibility to the very city workers that were negligently trained by the city. The city is not above the law.
They say the city has no responsibility and only go after the officers. What the hell are you talking about?
Public advocate Juvenile Williams says the city should own up to its responsibility and should have protected the children.
They were not sentenced to be raped, sexually abused.
Laquan Rivera, now 37, was 12 when he was at the Horizon facility in the Bronx.
The experience I endured there still affect me to this day. While I've worked hard to heal and grow, the abuse I face continues to impact my life in ways I'm still trying to process.
Angel Sanchez, now 30, was 16 when he spent time at the Crossroads facility in Brooklyn.
I was there for only about 3 months, but in that short time I experienced abuse by a staff member. The staff member threatened me, telling me that if I reported what happened, I would face more time at detention.
The memories of decades ago are as fresh as yesterday for these survivors, including Kendra Monsanto. For her, the wounds are raw.
Exploitation by the staff members. I was just a young girl, vulnerable and in need of I can't finish this. I'm gonna skip it.
These latest cases were filed in advance of a February 28th deadline of a bill passed by City Council that permits legal action against injustices that occurred many years ago. We reached out to the city's law department for comment, but we haven't heard back. The legal issues in this case ultimately may be determined by a judge. Lawyers here say they expect the city will once again file motions to dismiss these latest cases, arguing that they're not responsible under this law. In Brooklyn, I'm Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.